Ma, look at the time you're going to school.
I was cooking for my daddy, that's why.
And you don't deem me fit to wake up early and prepare me for your dad. Children of nowadays, I don't think they flog you in school.
I'm late for school. Please, can I go now?
Bye-bye.
Hello, Joe. Yes, Joe, can you hear me? I'm on my way already. I'm on my way.
You already coming?
Yes, I'm coming now.
So where are you now? When you get to Umunede, after that boundary, call me. Yes. I don't want you to miss your road, though. I don't want you to miss your road. So whenever you get confused, just call me.
Okay, I'll see you soon.
Awama. Yeah, my target. Yeah, my target. Please.
What?
I'll get you. No.
Leave me alone.
Please don't do this.
Leave me alone.
Please don't do this. I'm gonna make her biko.
What?
Biko.
What is it? You touch me and get me in the mood. After everything, you don't last up to 2 seconds. You be calling me all the time. Come. That you give me harder. 1 hour, 2 hours non-stop. And now I'm here, you cannot do anything. Can't even do up to 2 seconds. I'm not doing it again.
Get it, please, be calm. You know I have so much sugar in my system. It's sugar. See, I will stop taking the sugar, please. See, let's go inside and wait for second round. See, my second round, you will enjoy it too. It will last up to 1 hour. Please, let's wait for second round, please.
I'm not waiting again.
I'll get it, please now.
I'm going. You are not just man enough for me, please.
Nkechi, please now. It's not like that now. Don't do this to me.
Leave me alone.
No. Something will not happen to me the second time before I will know something. I have to prove to this girl, yes. I have to prove to her that I be German machine. Yeah, I be German machine. Out. This one bitter, oh. This one bitter. Kai, this one will bitter like this go enter. Kai. Woo. Oh man. Today. I want my mom to see something today. Woo.
Woman. Why did you tell your children not to apologize to Ichie Ojiofo with the necessary items as I decreed?
Igwe, Your Highness, please, lower your temper on me. I swear before your reign, I did not, and I will never tell my children to disobey your orders. Igwe. Nanyo Keke is just fabricating all these lies so that you can deal with me. Remember, I'm not a troublesome woman right from time. I'm a peaceful woman. Igwe, please.
So why have they not done the needful?
Igwe, you know how difficult things are. You know I'm a poor widow. We are barely managing to eat. Things are not easy with us. And my son is also managing. He doesn't have money for now. But I want to plead with you, Your Highness. Just give us a little time. We'll rally around and see what we can do. Please.
Liar. Her children have plenty of money. They even told me to my face that they will not do it. And that they will not even apologize. Imagine that.
Nanyokeke, these same children you're talking about are also your children. You knew the day they were born. You shouldn't be listening to them. It's me you should listen to. Please. Onyeze, please.
Woman, enough. Enough of your pretense. Don't you dare me. I am giving you and your children today, tomorrow, to do the needful. Go to Ichie with your first house and apologize with the items as decreed. I warn you again, don't dare me. If you dare me, I will make life unbearable for you in this kingdom. Now get out.
Out! Igwe. Oh, say it, Papa.
Leave. Huh? Nabanu?
Get out!
Nonsense. Look at her innocent face. She was there when her children was lambasting me. And she was supporting them. Now she's here to come and say another thing.
I pretend.
Only virgin. Nenna.
Calm down.
I'm calling my brother. Why would they take my mother to the palace?
I just came here to tell you, calm down.
I know. Hey. You know the worst part, eh? My brother is not even taking his calls.
Choma, maybe he's driving or something. Ha!
Why did they take my mother to the palace? Did they tell you?
Choma, calm down.
You know what? I'll have to go to the palace myself. Let me go and find out.
Ha, Choma. Choma, calm down.
See, Amara, what is it? You help me take care of this place. Okay. Let me go to the palace. Okay. I taught you how to use it now.
Yes. Just come back fast. I was doing something at home.
I understand. I will come back fast. There's 30,000 naira inside. I'll be back, eh?
Okay. Choma, take it easy.
Oh.
Hey, it's Choma. Hey. Money.
Where's Choma?
She went out with one of her new friends.
And left you here with my money. Is this what she normally do with my money?
Please, don't tell her I told you. I don't want any trouble. I'm just being a nice person.
Thank you. Nem, thank you, no? Okay. Chuku gozi again, no? Thank you. Okay. I will not tell her, but she'll come back and meet me here. Okay. Ndo, thank you, eh? Okay. Dalo. Chioma. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
How someone won't die for there? Now, wow, what did happen now? I don't understand. People just don't come today. I don't understand. Yeah. So work just slow.
You know, even do me like say I don't come up today. You do me like say I stay there for house. I don't understand what that happened today, sir. I beg you don't call that your sister.
I call my sister, but I don't know what they do her phone. You know they go.
Your sister, Sha. She fine though. I like her.
You smoke all shit. What's bring that one now?
Just say I like her.
When you start to talk that kind, when that one starts now, when you start to like my sister, what's bring that one now?
I just like him. Like, if I say I love him now, what's
You dey craze. Wetin dey want? I go fight you. Which one be say you dey love my sister? Wetin do that one now?
Calm down. See if I can get it.
My customer.
Hey, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you, sir?
I'm fine. Oh, I'm fine. And you?
I'm good too.
Good, good.
I
good.
hope you're able to resolve your issues with those guys that day.
Yeah, we did. We resolved everything. And you, how far with your job? How far the job you said you were going for?
I did. I got the job.
You got, oh, congratulations. So we go celebrate now. You know how to be.
Of course we will. Please, I need you to take me to the bank. From bank to the mall.
Bank to mall.
Yeah.
Okay, let's take it one by one. Which bank?
MC Bank.
MC Bank. MC Bank. No, small thing now. MC Bank. Small money, 2,500.
Please, I'll pay you 2,000. Please.
2,000. Don't be here again. No problem. Let's go.
Guy, don't see what now.
Calm down.
Madam, if he don't steal, no deal. I'm bad guy. Carry a rich rush to go.
There's no problem. Nobody arrested me. But did they take you to the palace? They only asked me some questions. Mazi Okeke went and lied to the Council of Elders that I am the one that instigated you and your brother not to bring the requirements to apologize to your uncle. Was Mazi Okeke there? Yes.
Was it? He wasn't there when the whole thing happened. Was it there? Why would he be talking anyhow?
It's okay, Mom. It's okay. Just calm down. See, we need to call your brother so that we will know what to do.
Oh? Mama, only me, Only me. I can deal with all of them, oh.
There's no need for that. We've had enough troubles. Oh, Mom.
Mama, you're too calm. I don't know why you're like this.
You too, Adamo. Adanenna.
I will go and question them too, Mama. Hey, Choma, Biko, don't put me. Mama, it's not nice now. It's not nice. How they be maltreating us in this village? We've had enough trouble.
This medicine is doing me somehow. He's reacting fast. Hello? Abwam. Where are you now?
Truth, I'm not lying. I'm very close to your house. You see me now. Joe, calm down.
Are you tracking? No. Use bike. Okay, anyone. Just come. Just come, I will pay. Anyone you see, just enter that one and come, I will pay. I'm waiting.
Hello, fine girl. Hello, excuse me. How you doing now?
Yes, what is it? Babe, let me call you back.
How are you?
What is it? What do you want? You people cannot see a fine girl in this village and let her pass.
Don't be make me stop you. That's not why I stopped.
Whatever it is you want, I'm not going to give it to you because I already have a date.
There's one stain at your back. I think it's period. It's like period. I don't understand.
Are you serious? Jesus. Oh my God.
So you can go and deal with it. And
thank you.
The thing is that you don't need to panic because it's not any man that see a woman on the road that will stop the person for nothing. Are you getting me? Just repent because kingdom of God is at hand. They get me.
Thank you.
All this mango way on the mango, you better change your ways. Mind yourself. Sometimes when you dress, you check yourself before you dress. They get me. Bye-bye.
This medicine is not good for me, oh. Chai. Aboma, no. Aboma, no. You don't try this. No, Aboma. You're not coming again? Aboma, don't try this. Don't try this with me, please. Don't. Please now. You want to go home? Hey, Aboma have killed me, oh. Aboma. Why now? Why? Come like that. I promise I won't touch you. I will not touch you, please. Just come. Hey. You have done. Hey, Mama is not coming again. Hey. She don't call the call. Hey, I don't die. Yo. Hey, see what Mama calls me. Hey, he said it's growing. It's growing. Hey, I don't die. Oh, who is going to help me? Hey, see you. Hey, see you. It's growing. Hey, see you. Hey, who will help me? Oh, hey, who will help me? See what Mama calls for me. Who will help me? Hey, who will help me? Oh, hey, see you. Hey. Fucking have killed me.
Madam, your money is increasing, oh.
You don't have to worry yourself about that. I will pay you.
Okay, no problem.
Excuse me, sir. Please, do you know any good fast food around here where I can eat good food? I'm starving, I'm famished.
Fast food? I'm a taxi driver now. I should know somewhere nice now. No problem, I'll take you somewhere.
Okay. I need to go and eat good food.
Okay.
But you're also eating, right?
Me? Fast food? How? No, I don't have money for that. How can I eat fast food? For what now? No.
You don't have to. No, don't worry yourself. I will pay for it. I promise I will pay.
You pay?
Yes, I will pay.
A woman paying for a man, somehow.
It's not somehow. It's cool. I'm fine with it, okay? Don't worry yourself.
Okay. Alright, okay. No problem.
Madam, 5,000.
Yes.
For what?
For a job well done.
Madam, which one was job well done? What did I do?
Choma, you left my business in the hands of a total stranger and went out with God knows who. Probably your boyfriend.
Me? Boyfriend? Yes. Hey, Madam, no now. I heard that the palace arrested my mother, so I went there to find out why. That's all. Besides, I asked my friend to help me. She's nice.
A total stranger. To help you with my money. My hard-earned money, Choma.
She's my friend.
And so?
She's not a bad girl. She's a good girl.
Choma, please leave here before I get angry. Leave!
Madam, I cannot go now. I am not done with this job. Please don't chase me out. I swear to God, I did not go to see any man. True to God, I did not see any man. I only went to the palace.
Chioma,
believe me.
You are not only a liar, you are equally dramatic. Hey! Chioma, before I count up to 5, leave here. What? 1? Chioma, leave before I call the police on you.
Please don't do this.
Chioma, leave before I tell them you stole my money. Leave before I tell them you stole my money. Nonsense! You left my money in the hands of a total stranger, and you're here telling me one cock and bull story. Chioma, Chioma, Chioma. Oh.
I will show them that I will make them spend money. I will make them spend real money
Just
in this
make
market.
sure it's big in big. Very big one. Huh? Change your phone. Huh? Is that voice not coming from your son's room?
Who is crying in my house?
Go and see now.
Wait!
Joseph, please.
Everywhere is bright. Everywhere is bright. What is happening to me? What is happening to me, Papa? Everywhere is happening. What is happening to me, Papa? Bring water. Are you better? Where is the water? What is happening to me? Where is the water? Where is the water? Where is the water now? I'm your Papa. It's your Papa. It's your son. It's your son. Papa. Bring me the water now. Everywhere is dark, Papa. Everywhere is not dark. Everywhere is very bright. Papa, I'm not seeing. Nobody's your father's house. Help, Papa.
Wait a minute.
This one is much, oh. But thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah, I can see you like the food.
Food is nice, though. I mean, but you know, this food is for big people like you now. Small people like us, Ufako with rice is okay. Alright for us. You know? Me salad. Okay.
I like you. I mean, do you have a girlfriend? I'm just asking, nothing much.
I have girlfriends. My mother and my sister.
Oh, funny you.
You, I know now, a fine girl like you, big girl. I'm sure you have one big correct guy. You know, who is your own.
Say school, please. I don't have any man. Yes. Men are full of shit.
Come on now.
Serious?
Not every man now. You can't say that now. Don't say that.
Oh, don't argue it. Okay, just eat your food. Enjoy your meal.
I will. No, it's nice.
Hey, what a friend. What a wonderful friend. So, the little salary I'm collecting from this place is paining you. You are jealous of it. That's why you want to take over my position. Hey, Amara, you went and told my madam that I went out with a man. How dare you? How could you say such thing to my madam?
Me, I did not tell her anything. No. She came and she saw me seated here. She asked about you. I told her you went to the palace to see your mother. Which one is I told your madam that you went to see your boyfriend? I don't like it too.
Amara, I went to your house and you were not there. My mind told me that I should come back here, I will see you. And that's exactly what happened. I knew it. If it was a bigger office, you would have killed me to take over my position.
Choma, it's not like that. It's not like that.
Tell me how it is. Go, stay away from me. I do not want to see you ever close to me again.
Choma, you're taking this thing too far. It's not like that. Choma,
okay.
Where are you going to? Come back.
Stay away from me.
Choma, Chi, stop this thing. I don't like it now.
Are you crazy?
Choma, I don't like this thing you're doing. Come back. Now, every time you'll be getting angry. Choma. They buy me this, they bought me this, they bought me this. As if you are the only fine girl in this world. Me, I'll still come here and sit down if they will see me. You think you're the only one that have it? I have it. Let's see who they will buy. They will even buy me food. Get angry like that.
Joseph, what did you say you took? Huh? Now what nonsense is this? Because okay. What did you say you took in order to climb a woman?
What did you take? Papa, is Burantashi, Papa. Papa, this need to calm down. I'm dying, you know.
Burantashi? What is Burantashi for God's sake?
Papa, it's Burantashi. It was your boogeyman that sold it to me so that I can last.
Hey, Mazi Jofo. It's one medicine they sell though, so that people can last long. That's what you want to go and take.
You took Burantashi in order to climb in a woman in my house.
I want to kill you.
Come away. Is it not better? I can't.
It's your son. My solution I want, Papa. I don't want to die, Papa. My solution I want. No, Papa.
Which solution?
Let's take him to hospital.
No. I can't go to hospital like this. No, I can't go to hospital like this, Papa.
What do you want us to do now?
Papa.
Look at yourself.
Papa, look for a woman for me, Papa.
Oh, you want me? Don't give me woman so that you leave me.
Two women, Papa, two. Yes, Papa.
No, let me kill him.
Don't kill him.
Let me kill him.
Don't kill him.
He's a useless son.
He's your son.
He's a useless son.
Let me kill him. So you went and took that so you can destroy Mazin Bakwe's daughter.
Okay.
Change your therapy.
Okay, what do I do?
Leave him.
What do I do? Okay.
Leave him.
What do we do?
Leave him.
What do we do?
Hey, Papa, woman. Papa, woman.
What kind of useless son?
Papa, please.
Chineke for him. Why did you give me this kind of useless person as a son? Hey! Chineke, very better.
Hey, Papa, woman.
Have mercy. God, have mercy. Have mercy on this kind of useless son. Hey! Okay. He said I should leave him. Okay. Look. Okay.
So Amara, your friend, collected your job just like that?
Yes, Mama. And I'm so pissed at her. Ha! I'm so angry.
You're so pissed. You're still speaking big English. See your friend now. When I tell your friends, look at the friend you have now. I told you that every time you keep trusting people. I keep telling you, learn from me. You won't hear. You see the kind of friend you've kept. She has taken your job.
Exactly. What kind of a friend is this? Imagine, Amara, your best friend.
No, please.
The same Amara.
Can we just stop talking about it? I don't want to talk about it again, please.
Mama, please, you were telling us something about the king. I mean, I don't understand.
Please, I want us to obey what the king said. See, forget about your stubborn uncle. We are used to his troubles. Let's forget about him. Let's just obey the king. Please, my son.
Obey the king for what now? Obey for what? Do you want us to obey to? No, because where are we going to get the money? Do you have money? Because me, I don't have money. Chioma, do you have money to give?
Wow, here. I don't have
No, if you have money, give them now. Because me, I don't have money. I don't have money.
My children, please, I know we don't have. But I also know we can do something no matter how small. Look, I know your sister just lost her job. See what you can do. Look, from my little savings, I will support you. Imagine what just happened to your sister. This shows that we have more enemies than friends in this village. Our name is not good for whistling. They're already speculating negative things about us. Please, my son.
Mama, we don't care. We do not care. I'm not giving them any goods.
So, after all my suffering, after my education, no, after seeking for job, not seeing, and now doing this thing I'm doing now, suffering, promising myself that I will, at the end of the day, take my family out of poverty. I will take you people out of this village. Then I will now be subjected to going to give one uncle, one useless uncle, one very useless uncle who took everything away from us, denying that our father died with nothing, took away all my father's properties, everything. I will not give that uncle. I will not go and give the person goat. Mama, no, is it fair? Is it fair? No, answer me now. It's just not fair now. How will I do that? I'm not going to give that man goat. For what? What did he contribute to my life? No, is it fair? No, tell me, is it fair? Why would you go and give him goat? For all reasons. For what? No. For what? Why would you give him goat? What has he done? What has he done to merit goat? I will not give him. Did he contribute to anybody's education? I will not give him goat. You are not upon you. I don't have money.
Hey, everything will be so perfect. When you find the one your heart desires, everything will be alright. Whoa, yeah. No matter what they do, yeah, I will fight for you, my love. Keep the fire. I will fight for you, my love. Keep the fire burning. When you find true love, hey, everything will be so perfect. When you find the one your heart desires, everything will be alright. Whoa, yeah. No matter what they do, yeah, I will fight for you, my love. Keep the fire. I will fight for you, my love.
she kissed me. She gave me money and she kissed me. I like this girl. I like this girl. I like her.
Mama, thank you. I'll be on my way now.
What did you make for me?
Of course, now. What?
Hi. How? Don't bother. I went to the park and your friend gave me your house address.
But I'm just coming from the park. I only came here to have my lunch. And I'm going back. Wow, this is a surprise. Please come and meet my family. Mama, this is my friend. My mother, my sister.
Good afternoon, ma.
Hey, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
No, oh, you're welcome.
My mother, my sister. This is Rose.
Hello, sis.
Hey, she's
Hello.
beautiful.
Thank you, ma. She's as beautiful as a rose.
Oh, thank you. And you too.
Come and sit down. Oh, let's find something for you.
Let me get her water
No,
to drink.
no, ma. I'll use my lunchtime to come see him. I'll be heading back to work.
Eh.
Yes, ma.
What do you do?
I'm an accountant to a company, a big company.
Oh, that is very good. Where are you from?
I'm from Omo in the kingdom.
That's very close to our own kingdom. Oh.
Yes, Mama.
You're welcome. Oh.
Thank you, ma.
Hey, no. Chai.
We'll be on our way now.
Already?
Yes, ma. Yes, ma. Yes, ma.
Okay, see you some other time.
Oh, Rosalie,
Bye.
Bye. Oh.
Get off now.
Okay.
Please. What is it?
Okay, Namo. I like this girl. I like her. She's
like
beautiful. Yes. Two of them match Fanta and Fanta.
Mama. Calm down.
Chioma, what is the meaning of accountant?
Accountant is one who sees to the affairs of a company in terms of finance. That's all I know.
Anyway, don't bother again. You see, the next time she comes, I'll ask her. She will answer me by herself. Chioma, Mom, I am so happy that our issue between us and your uncle has been cleared.
Hell! Thunder will fire him. Him and that his friend. If they were, you choke her. As they are eating that goat, it will choke their throat.
It's okay, leave them. The most important thing is that the problem has been solved. I thank God for your brother. God provided and he was able to buy that huge goat.
I thought brother said he didn't even have money. Where did he get money to buy goats?
I don't know. All I know is that I am happy we have done the needful.
Mama, you're shaking your head too much. Stay, let me whip this here.
Because may he say so.
When you find true love, hey, everything will be so perfect. When you find the one your heart desires, everything will be alright. Whoa, yeah.
I really need to know. Do you love me? I mean, do you want me to be your woman?
Of course I love you. It's just that I just feel you're too expensive for me. I'm just a taxi driver and I can't afford the lifestyle you want.
Can you quit this job?
Quit this job? Do you have a job for me?
Not yet. I mean, I'm trying. But the truth of the matter is, you can't be my man. You can't be my boyfriend if you're just a taxi driver. I need you to travel to the city. Look for a good job. I will sponsor that for you. Seriously.
I understand you not being proud of my job. I understand.
No, it's not that. It's not that at all. I'm not just comfortable with it. That's the truth. I'm not. I like you. I love you. Honestly, let there be a little shift. That's all.
Well, I've heard you, but I've really tried getting a job. I've tried, and I had to resort to this. But I'll keep trying. I'll try. Maybe I'll try harder.
Baby, I want you to be your own man. This cabo business is not fitting. It doesn't fit you at all. Think about it, please. Okay?
Yeah, I understand.
All right. So, can we go to that restaurant and eat? That same restaurant.
No, I can drive you there. I'm not hungry.
Baby, we have to eat together. You know that. Come on.
When you find true love, everything will be so perfect.
My love? What? No, please calm down, please. Put yourself together. Whatever it is, my love, I said calm down. Explain to me what the matter is. Oh, you don't want to tell me on phone? You are coming back to Nigeria? What about Greg? Sweetheart, please. I beg you. Whatever it is, I want both of you to settle it over there. You are sick? Oh, it's all right. Calm down. Put yourself together. Calm down, please. Okay? My love? It's okay. Calm down. Calm down, okay? It's all right.
True love, find true love. Hey, everything will be so perfect. When you find the one your heart desires, everything will be alright. Whoa, yeah. No matter what them do, yeah, I will fight for you, my love. Keep the fire. Find true love. Hey, everything will be so perfect. When you find the one your heart desires, everything will be alright. Whoa, yeah. No matter what them do.
My son said Eva left the city and she's threatening to return alone. She's no more taking her calls.
Have you asked him what he did to her?
According to my son, he said Eva spotted him with an old white friend. And from there she became mad at him and left the event to another city.
So that's what happened?
That's what my son said.
My daughter refused to tell me what the problem is. She keeps telling me, Mother, I am coming back to Nigeria. Mother, I am coming back to Nigeria. I think they had a little argument over that.
I think so.
That will not be a problem. I believe they will make up.
They will always make up. You know how they used to do. So how is my king doing?
He's very fine. Just from one meeting to the other. You know now.
That's meant for you.
See, my brother. Yeah. The only thing I fit tell you for this matter, you see this love? Come on hand for this thing where they call love. I don't see that baby, they see the girl, it be like so the girl likes you. Girls are very dangerous, so why?
Nah, nothing did there, nothing did there. And just normal thing. We just be normal, nothing, not normal friends.
What's normal thing?
Normal friends now. We're just normal friends now. Friends now.
Hey! You are normal friends. Okay. Where the condom where they your pocket last week?
Which one be condom again now?
Oh, sorry, the condom where you buy, put for the savings account. You know, so you get savings account for condom.
Wait,
where you did?
I don't understand you. Which one you say you don't monitor all the condom where they buy now? I've been waiting. I don't understand you.
Not besides the monitor.
That girl are just my friend. She's just my friend. Nothing else.
The condom been there 3, don't short. Now only one remain. Abi, condom is a sign of your friendship.
I don't get time for your problem right now. Which one say you don't monitor my life?
I know. I love you thinking. Swear say you never met the girl. Swear say you never enter Jerusalem. We are just friends. Let me go 5%. I saw their friendship, baby.
What is it?
Nothing.
Come on. You look worried. I mean, I can read it from your face.
Nothing really.
Oh, okay. Hold on. Wait a minute. You didn't complete your money for today?
Not that.
Then tell me the problem. Tell me. Talk to me.
It's okay. It's all right. It's okay. It's all right. It's okay. It's okay.
I know your type. Pragmatic and not easy to bend. Don't worry. I've got something for you. But first, you have to guess.
I have to guess.
Yes.
I'm not good at guessing, so I think you should just come out with it.
Okay. Take. Go ahead.
What is this?
My boss dashed me some money, but I don't need it, so I decided to give it to you.
Your boss dashed you money?
Not my boss, my manager. Okay, my manager, not the owner of the company. Yes.
Okay, because this kind of looks heavy.
Ah, come on, it's just 50,000 naira.
50,000! Oh my God, thank you so much. This will do so much for me. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Like I said, I don't really need it, so use it to sort out yourself.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And as for the job, I'm still pressing him. Very soon, something good will pop up.
Thank you. If that can just happen, I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
This is the part where you give me a very tight hug.
Can I?
Of course.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. I'm really grateful.
Are you shy? You're so good.
Wow.
Wow. Don't worry,
Look, I'm shooting, you know.
Brother, what is it? KZ4.
Choma.
Hmm?
Choma, please, I need you to be straight with me. You understand? Just be straight with me this one time, please.
Okay.
Please. Please.
But that's up now. What is it?
That Rose girl. You know that Rose girl, eh?
Rose. I know her.
You know Rose now.
I know her.
So what do you... How do you see her?
Which kind of question is that now?
Tell me now, how do you see her? Like, you know, what do you think about her person? You understand? Yeah.
But I don't want to talk.
Which ones you don't want to talk?
You get angry.
I won't get angry. Just tell me, what do you think about her? How do you see her person? Just tell me now. Tell me.
Are you sure you will not get angry?
I won't.
Okay. Rose is fine,
Okay.
And you are handsome too. Very, very handsome.
See, this is the problem I have with you. This one, so somebody's going straight. I'm asking a straight question. You like digressing. Don't go through the corner. You know me, I'm a straightforward person. Just tell me the way it is now.
See, you're getting angry.
I'm not getting angry. Am I shouting? If I'm angry, that's when I shout now. But am I shouting? Just be straight with me. Don't be going around the bend. Just go straight. Tell me, what do you think about her? Just talk to me.
Okay.
Yes.
Brother, that girl is exposed. She has traveled far and wide. But she's not your level. She's with you for a reason. That's what I think. But she might just be with you because you're very handsome. She just wants to be passing time, having fun with you. She will never be loyal to you. She can't. Oh, Waganya, brother.
But how did you know? How can you be too sure? How can you be too sure? I mean, why are you so sure about what you're saying?
But I'm a woman now. We know ourselves.
You're a woman and you know yourselves.
But please let me get you food.
She will not be loyal. She will not be loyal.
And you, this man, everybody here, they know me. I'm not afraid of you people. Let me tell you, we come here to solve case every time. You understand me? My file is full in this house. Your father has my file plenty. Let me tell you, give my money, I beg. Let me go. If not, you won't have this bag. Let me tell you now. What's it?